Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create quick actions in Salesforce and speed up daily tasks. In the fast-paced world of business, every second counts, especially for those managing Salesforce environments. If you're a Salesforce admin, you know that making user workflows more efficient is vital. Quick actions in Salesforce offer a fantastic way to simplify and speed up how users interact with various objects on the platform. Imagine cutting down the time it takes for your team to complete repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on more strategic activities. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through how you can create these quick actions step by step, enhancing the productivity of your Salesforce users. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll first need to access the Salesforce setup page. This is a crucial step, as the setup page is your gateway to customizing your entire Salesforce environment. You can find this by clicking on the gear icon, which is conveniently located at the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. Once the drop-down menu appears, select Advanced Setup. This section of Salesforce is like your control center, allowing you to tailor the platform to meet your specific needs, including the creation of quick actions. Once you're inside the setup area, the next step is to navigate over to the Object Manager. This can be easily done by utilizing the Quick Find box. Just type in Object Manager and select it from the drop-down list that appears. The Object Manager is a powerful tool where you can manage all of the objects within Salesforce. This includes standard objects like accounts and contacts, as well as any custom objects you may have created to fit your unique business processes. Now consider which particular object you want to add the quick action to. This could be any object, whether it's an account, a lead, or an opportunity. Once you've made your decision, select that specific object from the list. This will take you to the Object Setup page, where you can make modifications and enhancements. On the Object Setup page, you'll want to look for an option titled Buttons, Links, and Actions. Click on this, and you'll find yourself in the section where all custom buttons and quick actions related to the object reside. To create a new quick action, go ahead and click on New Action. At this stage, Salesforce will prompt you to select the type of action you wish to create. Often you'll find yourself creating a new record. For our demonstration, let's choose Create a Record as our action type. Next, you need to specify the target object that this action will affect. It's essential to input some critical details at this juncture. Start by entering a label for your new quick action. So, it's important to make it intuitive and relevant to the task at hand. You also have the option to add a description. This can be particularly useful for other admins who might be working on the system, as it provides insight into what the action is intended to do. Don't forget to include a success message. This is the message users will receive once the action is successfully executed. It can be as simple as action complete or something more descriptive, depending on the context. With all the necessary information in place, click Save to commit your changes. But hold on, there's one more step to ensure your quick action is ready for use. Head over to the page layouts for the object you're customizing. Choose the specific layout you wish to edit. Here you need to locate the quick action section from the menu above. Simply drag your newly created quick action into the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Action section. Finally, make sure to save your page layout changes. And there you have it. A brand new quick action is ready to enhance the Salesforce user experience. These actions are designed to make it easier and quicker for users to perform their tasks. And your thoughtful configuration is what makes this possible. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to create quick actions in Salesforce and speed up daily tasks. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.